Hi everyone! Today I'm going to play Airplane Story with CoolGirlGamer.
Hi! So,
Yay!
now we have to go
Let's
here,
go. Okay.
over here.
Okay. I'm in.
You're all the way in the front, I'm all the way in the back.
I cannot move.
No.
Okay.
Once you get a fixed place in this airplane, you can't move.
But no one else is coming. Oh my
Two
god.
people came.
Yes. Let's go.
There's this.
My god. Another
Oh
one
my
came. Yay. We're on it. D10. D10.
Yours is D10.
Yes, here somewhere.
Yes,
Yes.
mine is A12. Oh my god.
What happened?
Nothing.
Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 3437. We are currently flying on an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time to our destination.
Feel free to
Explore the airplane.
Ooh. Okay,
Let's
since we found our
explore.
seat, I guess we can explore. Okay, there's like a telephone. There's a number here. Come here, see, there's a
Okay.
number.
7627.
Note it down somehow.
Okay,
Now
let's go.
what?
Take our seats.
Now, please find your seats. We are about to cross an area of high turbulence.
Okay, here's my seat. You're sitting in your seat. Okay, I'm sitting in my seat. Ah!
Oh my
It's
god.
shaking. I'm scared. Oh, okay. Never mind. Now I can get off my seat. Why do these? Sorry.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Why do both of these people have like flaming things on their head?
Are there
Get
only
ready as
two?
our crew prepares a sandwich.
Snack
I mean,
A snack.
for
everyone.
Hello everyone, we are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy.
give me.
Okay.
I got a sandwich.
Let me have one. Yo.
Ma'am,
Even
does
I
it
got a
have cheese in it?
sandwich.
Ma'am, does it
You
have
can
cheese
eat and
in
see.
it? Okay, I
Why you have to bother her?
I love cheese. What's happening to you? Are you
Oh my
feeling
God.
okay?
No, I'm not feeling very well.
Okay.
Wait, this sandwich has mayo?
I'm
allergic to mayo.
I found your baggage.
Oh no.
I found it.
Okay, where are you? I cannot see you.
I found it. It's up
Okay.
here. See your green baggage.
Phew, that was a close one.
Yeah. You almost suffocated.
Yeah.
Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you we've reached a stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride.
Okay, I'm sitting back, taking a nap.
Me too. That's a nice music.
I'm scared already. It's dark outside.
Okay.
Good night, passengers.
Remember?
To stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go.
I can't possibly stretch my legs because I'm climbing a seat next to you, I guess. Oh my god!
Oh my god, what's that?
What was that?
It appears that we've lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it.
Oh my god, I can see somebody. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I can
Oh
see
my
someone
god,
there.
he's scary. He is scary.
Oh my god.
Somebody explain why he has claws.
Can you move?
They look like...
Yes.
Oh my god.
But he's a bit cute with those red eyes.
Are
Still
those
creepy. Oh my god.
snakes?
Let's.
Oh my god, the snake! Climb on the seats, you'll be safe. There's
Okay.
a white snake and an orange snake.
Oh my god.
And there's
I
one
can see the snakes.
and another orange snake.
It's as if. Oh, that dude is just sitting there.
Okay. Is there... Guys, there's an open restroom. Quickly.
Okay.
We will be safe there.
Where is it?
Over here. Over here. Over here.
Let's go. Oh my god. It's here. Oh my god.
Yes.
We got
Yes.
saved.
Good.
I guess. Yes.
Yeah. That other dude's not gonna survive, is he?
No.
Oh, he's here. He's here. He came at the last moment. These two look like brothers or twins.
Yes.
That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. I know I'm talking to myself, but I feel we have to inform the captain.
Okay. Let's see if we get a chance.
Let's inform the captain. Okay, now what? We're gonna be locked in here? Oh, no. Okay,
Wha-
we are back. The power is back up. Yes, it is.
And the snakes are gone. Thank God.
Yes.
The creature on the wing is also gone.
Creepy.
Oh, yes.
Yes, I don't see him anymore. But why do I have to?
Your attention, passengers. I have gotten good news and bad news.
Okay.
The good news is the power is back up.
That dude just told us like 5 seconds ago.
The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. Oxygen mass will drop over your seats.
Quickly!
Okay.
Get
Going
one!
to get it.
Yes.
Got it.
Now we both will survive.
Okay. Oh my
That
god, somebody
dude
died.
died. Luxy over died.
This mask will keep you stay safe.
Stabilize the oxygen levels.
Okay. Excuse me. What is
Oh my
happening?
god, what's that?
The monster's gonna come, isn't he? There's gonna be a jump scare, I guess. What is that?
What's that?
There's a time bomb on him.
Oh my god.
It looks like a bomb. Oh no.
What are we going to do?
I found a scissor. Okay, everyone, calm down. Because I found a scissor.
Come on, cut the blue one.
Let me get the scissor. I found a pair of scissors. Which cable should I cut?
Blue one. Quick.
Oh yes, because that is the thing.
Quick, you just got 8 seconds.
I'll cut the blue cable. He's gonna. Oh, phew. I thought he was gonna explode. We did it.
Yes, you did it.
That was very
Now
scary.
what? Oh
Now
my God, now what?
Now what? There's something else gonna happen, right? We haven't heard of the crew in a while. We should look for them and check. If
Come, let's
everything's
go. Let's check.
I found them. They are fainted over here.
Oh my God. Now what?
They are unconscious.
We need to
We
alert
need
the
to
captain.
alert the
Let's
captain.
go.
Quickly. Let's get to the captain room. It's called a cockpit, right? Not a captain room.
Okay. How should we open this? It's locked. Something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble. This door needs a code. If we find it, we might be able to open it. Hurry up!
It's the number in the back, right?
Yes.
It's the number in the back. Dude, come on. Why are you not doing anything? Is the number in the back? Is the number in the back? I found the code. Also, we don't have to memorize it. Okay.
Oh my God.
Captain room.
You all are glitched.
Oh,
Oh my God.
it's your cute monster.
Oh,
It's the
hey,
creature.
hi. Oh hi.
Hi, you're cute.
You're so cute.
You're getting paid for what you've done.
Okay, dude.
We haven't done anything.
Okay, dude.
You think you are here on accident, but you're not.
Oh.
I brought you here, all of you.
With those 3 question marks, he himself looks confused.
Yeah. That's not possible. It's not possible. We bought the tickets.
It is, and now it's time to die.
Oh my God.
We bought the tickets. You didn't buy it for us.
Okay,
So
so what
that-
should we do now?
See you in the afterlife.
Okay, dude.
Now what? Should we use the telephone to call somebody? Okay, dude, you are gone.
The captain is unconscious.
Use the telephone.
The captain is unconscious.
The plane is falling. What are we going to do? We need to find the autopilot button.
Okay, dude. Trying.
Click everything and find the button before we die. I guess it's somewhere here because the captain must have it with him, around him. Search on the other side. We just have 40 seconds.
It's okay. We'll do it. Don't worry.
Me scared.
We tried all the buttons, dude.
Oh,
I found the button. Yay!
you are our savior.
We did it.
Hugs. We did it. We saved the plane. Now can we call somebody for help? It has been a crazy flight. I just want to be home already. Me too. Me too. Everybody wants to be home already. Why is everybody here?
Now all we need to do is find the emergency phone.
Here it
So we
is.
can call for help.
It's right here.
Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious.
Yes.
Don't worry, we will get you home in no time. Is everyone okay?
No, this dude was.
Yes, we are okay.
Excuse me.
Autopilot mode is on.
Oh, Okay, she was asking about that. I was going to say that this dude had a bomb.
Okay, we've traced your location and we are taking control.
Okay.
Yay!
Yay.
There is one task I have for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track.
Okay.
Find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat aside the captain.
It's me. I'm going. I'm already running for it.
Okay. If it's you.
Why are you racing me?
I'll just go wait
Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta,
there.
ra-ta-ta-ta-ta. I'm here already. I know how to fly a plane. I'm totally not shaking it. Okay, everyone, I got this.
Oh my god, the other guy is looking more like a monster.
Ha ha ha. What is going on?
Oh my god, my cutie
Oh, no.
pie.
Your cutie pie.
Hey.
Oh no, it's back. Save me, I'm the captain now.
You humans are funny. Your destiny has already been written.
Oh.
Last chance, schoolgirl. Crash this plane and we'll rule the underworld for eternity.
You are also there. I'm not crashing the plane.
Yay.
I'm not doing it. I'm saving this plane.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You humans are so weak.
Okay, dude.
This is not the last time you see me.
Oh my god.
You like the voice
All
act.
spirals coming out. It's gone.
Yay!
Wait. He said it was not the last time we see him. What did he mean?
I don't
Are
know.
we gonna see him again? Who cares? Let's get back home now. I'm about to throw up.
Oh,
Really?
the co-captain is also going to throw up.
Oh my god, that
Okay.
was fun.
Victory!
Yay!
I wonder what would happen
Zach.
if I crash the plane.
We should try that next time. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Stay tuned for more videos.
Bye!
Bye. See you guys next time.